Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Oleg and we again halibut fishing today. I have my subscribers with me today.
Yes, it's on.
It's Mark and Vadim and Nikolai. We try buy some live bait right now. We're here in the live bait area. We try take a ice too. We'll see. Okay, look guys. I'll see you soon.
Oh yeah. How we do that here? Trzymajcie, tak trzymajcie.
Want me to keep going?
How much is right here?
$10. I'll fill it up.
Okay, yeah, full.
Alright.
Okay guys, we just buy the ice.
Seal. Go. Move your ass, buddy. Yeah. Piece of crap.
Yeah, we have a full cooler for the $10. Good job. Okay, good.
Andrucha, what's up, buddy? Welcome to the live bait, guys. Live bait. Hold it. Good.
Give me $40. Alright, you guys.
Okay guys, we were here in San Francisco Bay right now. Ready put the 4 rod, and guys, we just see the whales right here. They're close by us, like 100 feet. The whales. Yeah, I show you. If the whales come up. Okay guys, we come back with fish. This is Oleg, buddy too. We're here. Oleg boat.
Ruben, what are you
Guys,
doing
checking.
Are you like pretending to fish or something?
Душку і сачок. Watch your pool, guys.
Все.
Остади його, це витягується. Да, нажми кнопочку і витягуй. Не повністю. It's striper, I think so, it's striper.
Марк. Кому 20? А?
Yeah, first fish.
Almost, Mark.
Hey,
You
that
were
doesn't count, bro.
3 seconds. 3 seconds earlier. Yeah, it's
Okay.
bigger.
Who know. Я попускаю, знаєш, щоб... Хай лучше уходить, щоб не заривався дуже. Ні. Think so, it's legal.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's good size. Yeah. This net for halibut.
halibut.
Да, він не рве хвоста. Це.
Like I said,
Yep. It's first keeper.
I straight up knew that was gonna happen. I straight up knew. I was like, dude, I'm gonna look away for 3 seconds.
Fish on, guys?
Нема.
Як нема?
Нема.
Oh, it's off. Сачок. Fish on. Ви якщо бачите, ви беріть. It's halibut. It's halibut. Чекай. Yeah, it's good. Halibut's limit, legal. Yep, so I know it's looks like legal, looks like shaker. No, it's legal, I think so.
Nice.
Yeah, one. Nice one.
Let's keep it, right? Technically.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
That's what's good.
Look at this. It's 1/8 shorter. Ah! It's good. 1/8 shorter. It sucks. Releasing this fish. Хто хоче фоткатися, можете сфоткатися, якщо хочете. No? Checking your rod, guys. Fish on, yeah? В тебе тут, дивись.
Yeah, I let
No?
it go. I let it fly. How are you getting the bites?
Releasing.
Only when I'm not paying.
Fish on, guys. Oh yeah, it's good. Хай попускається, хай все good. Нормально, все добре. Зразу взяв, да? Да. Підносим. This is legal. Oh, the first in the boat. Nice one.
Good job.
Давайте краба. Nice one. Good job.
Тільки опустив, шарах.
Nice. Зверху, вони не так. Зверху не тап. Ні, це я тяну. Це я тяну. Це хай тянеться. Це ту вудочку не трогайте. Striper, nice striper.
Bring it over to me.
Чекай. Мен, грузик зацепився. Ну чекай. О, все. Так, тепер сюди. Ви бачите? Оце ваш туалет так робить. Nice one, good job.
Бач, на мілкому лучше бере.
Так,
It's good.
що за красна штука на удочці?
Ну давай. Nice one. Nice, good job.
Оце якраз
Nice. It's another one, guys, just like 1 second. Nice.
But for some reason...
Striper. Підносим вверх. Ай! Давай. Oh yeah. It's good. Nice striper. Nice.
First one, baby.
Good job.
Yo, Dean, I'd like to shake your hand.
Oh, yeah.
You want? I'll take my GoPro.
Vadim, give me crabba. Good job. Nice.
Oh shit, I thought he was gonna like...
What's up?
Look at this nigga laughing.
Andre? Halibut. Чекай. Huh? That's good one. Nice. It's keeper. Hey. Good job, Oleg. Good job. You're doing good today, buddy. You're sexy, huh? Fish on, guys. Fish on. I think so. It's my limit. It's my limit for today, huh? Huh, boys? Так, тяни. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think so. This is good one.
It's for you.
It's for me. It's for me, my baby. Stop it. That's it. Stop. No more. Yeah, I kill you if you move more.
You're gonna kill him anyway.
It's okay. Shh.
Don't
No
tell
say
him.
that. Don't tell that. Man, it's not big enough.
What?
It's not big enough.
No.
Oh,
No way.
oh, we released this fish. Bye, baby. I love you. Oh, we didn't have a fish on. Good, 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 good. Doing good. You're doing good. Нормально, good, good. Okay. Easy, easy boy, easy boy. You're doing good, you're doing good. Давай, піднось. Oh yeah, you have nice. This is nice one.
Serious.
Good job, good job,
It's all you, boy.
good job. This is 23, 24, maybe 25. It's easy 25. Yep, yep, yep.
Oh, Jim, you missed the bite.
No, good job, bro. Good job, good job. How are you, Andre? You catch anything?
Nope, fish on.
Fish on. Oh, you have two fish on. Давай сачок. Yeah, it's double. Давайте сачок. Сачок, 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 сачок. Пойдем. Nice. Окей, давай. Виспай. Чекай, виспай сюда. Давай, бери дуй. It's double fish, guys. Double, schnabel. What's that?
I said I'd like to catch
Yeah, a rockfish. Come on, I think you have a nice fish.
Thanks, man. It's cute, huh?
Guys, fish on. Oh. This is good one. Чекай, нічого не роби. This is good one. This is legal. Давай, бери. Fish on, guys. Guys, треба ловити, а не стояти, блін.
Дальше відпускай.
Oh, nice. This is nice fish on. Давай, дай. Я засниму. This is nice fish. This is big.
Oh,
no.
Yeah.
Right in the top. Oh. California down. Не спіши. Поднимай. Ё-моё. Come on, man. My dad. Fish on, check your rod, guys.
Тут щось тяжче йде.
Ё-моё, чекай, неправильно взяв. This is good one. О, це хороший, блін. Це big. This is big one. This is 25 at least. Stop it, fishy.
Oh, I just missed a fat bite, bro.
Okay.
Тоже байт?
Duh, man.
And nice one. Nice one. It's good. Easy. Look at that. It's easy 25. It's 22 right there and a half.
I think we
Nice. Good job.
Oh.
let's circle around right here.
It's shaker. No. Shaker. Dry fishy.
Давай, де писав?
It's not big. Oh, it's rockfish. It's nice rockfish.
О, it's nice rockfish. Ти казав, тільки сказав, що rockfish. Дянька
Look at
класна.
that.
Rockfish. То вони на rockfish ходять там тут, так?
Да, наверное, rockfish. Look at that. It's nice. You have fish on?
Мішон?
Крути, не жди. Давай. So fish over here. Halibut. Oh, it's good. It's legal. It's legal.
It's barely hooked. Go, 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 you buffoon.
Oh,
Найс.
Приятный аппетит.
it's nice. And this is keeper. This is keeper.
I told you it was barely hooked. Look at that. Popped off the hook. Hella nice.
This is
Finally,
keeper.
first halibut.
Finally.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Ну, бач?
Sure.
Давай, краб.
Yeah. Watch out, here we go.
Короче.
Okay. Easy, easy boy, easy boy. See, it's a
Doing
flounder.
good, doing good. Давай. Піднось.
Oh yeah, you have.
Woo!
This is nice, huh? There he is.
Good job. Good job.
This is 23, 24, maybe 25.
Oh, shit. It's easy 25, yeah? Yep.
Huh? Good one.
We have a few limit halibut and 4 striped and 1 rockfish. Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good. Yeah. We did good yesterday too. This is 2, the big one.
Nice.
I make a video later because right now it's 3 days fishing.
Yeah.
No time. Thank you. Hey guys, we stopped by California Dawn and tried checking how many fish the guy's catching. I'm doing good. How are you? It's good. You catching?
We got one here.
We are under the bridge 9. Yeah. When you start fishing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Open it up.
This is sucks. Yeah. Yeah, I buy it, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm fishing the Palamon like a week ago. Yeah. It's nice catching nice rockfish there. Yeah, guys, we're swimming slow right now because it's
Really choppy.
really choppy, guys. And we stop by one more time for a striper. We're catching nice fish today, a really nice halibut and some striper out, some rockfish. And we try stop by a striper right now. Try catching some striped bass. Hey guys, if we catch something, I'll show you. This is choppy, choppy, choppy. Вадим, сніми ззаді, як там це чапі. This is choppy. Включи задню камеру, Вадим. Включил? Yeah guys, it's really choppy today. It's 18 miles per hour wind. Yep. Choppy, choppy. Yeah, try fishing here right now. Try bass. This is last, guys. Stop. No more. We straight go home. Straight go home because this is really choppy. It's real choppy.
we're done for today. We have a really nice day today. We're catching nice 8 halibut, 4 striper, and 2 rockfish under the Bay Bridge. That's good. I'm happy. And we have a bunch of shakers today too, guys. I have a really nice day. I don't know about you guys. You have a good day today?
Yes, sir. Always.
Yeah, fishing, it's good. The guys happy. Some guys it's first time in the boat. Some guys first time halibut fishing. Yep. Doing really good today, guys. Okay.